Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about that what cybersecurity actually is and what are the skills needed for being in the cybersecurity field and actually what's the real role that a cybersecurity expert has actually to perform out. Okay, so these are the respective things that we will be discussing into this particular video. So let's proceed on here. Into this, I'll be giving you the complete knowledge regarding what cybersecurity is, the need that why right away there is so much of need regarding the cybersecurity. Further, what are the career options regarding that? Right, what are the skills needed? What are the important qualifications? These all will be discussing up here into this particular video. So I won't waste too much of time right away. Let's start out today's video. So very first I'll be starting out that now if we are going to discuss about the cybersecurity and the roadmap for being a cybersecurity expert or related to any particular field of the cybersecurity. So what's my particular and the very first thing that I have to take care of? So first of all, I need to understand that what in real cybersecurity is. What's that particular thing? Right, that we need to understand out here. So let me start on with the very first thing that what cybersecurity is. Now, whenever we have to protect out our sensitive information, right, from having some digital attacks, from protecting our information, from protecting the critical systems, all of these are the practices, all of these are the things which comes under the cyber security. Now, let's say you had saved on your some passwords on any respective your laptop, or you are having different accounts and different social medias, you're having passwords for that. Now you never will want that these passwords should get hacked out and anyone else should hack out your social media website or whatsoever social media things you're having, and he or she should use that. You will never want out that particular thing, right? So that's the case. That is a place where the cyber security is the thing that comes up into the practice. So it is a practice where you protect up the critical systems and the sensitive information from getting that into the digital attacks. Now, this is also known as the IT security, that is your information technology security. It's named as that particular thing as well. So from getting up your network systems or the applications getting hacked or having some threats against those, so cyber security is a respective measure that helps you to protect up the things from that. Right, now this is where and this is what actually the cyber security is. Right now, whatever those threats are originated, they are originated from inside the organization or outside of an organization. So those things are as well networked and the applications are protected. So these are the respective things that what is cyber security actually is. Right, that's the respective definition that what is cyber security. So that's the practice of protecting the critical systems and the sensitive information from digital attacks. Also, this is known as information technology security. Cybersecurity measures are designed to combat threats against network system and applications. Whether those threats originate from inside or outside of an organization, that's the secondary part that doesn't actually makes a bit too much of difference. But yeah, that is what cybersecurity is. Now, when we are pretty much clear now that what cybersecurity actually is, now our next thing or next question which will be coming up into your mind, that what is the need of this particular thing, right? That what is actually the need of this. So now let's go ahead and understand regarding that what is the need for the cybersecurity. Now, whenever we want that data, whatever we are having, right, whatever data we are having, we want to protect that data from the all categories of damages or theft. So in that case, cyber security is one of the technology that plays a very important role. Now, as I was giving you the example previously regarding this particular thing, that we will never want that our passwords or any respective ID should ever get be hacked, or should anyone else hack that and use that out. Right, now for that we need this particular, that is the cyber security. So it is important because it protects up all the categories of data from getting theft, or from getting damaged, and all those respective things. Now, what is this particular that we were talking about the protects all categories of data. What does this particular thing, that is categories of data, refer to? So it includes the sensitive data, the personally identifiable information, the protected health information, the personal information, the intellectual property, the data, and the governmental and industry information systems. So these are all of the respective sort of datas which get protected from theft and from damage with the help of the cyber security. Right, so that's what is the need for cyber security right away nowadays, because we all know that everywhere we have of the data which are being saved out, right? And right away, people are hacking some this website, some that website, and they just simply take out the data from there, and they just misuse out those respective data or whatever the things we are having. So we always want to protect that data for not getting being hacked by someone or being damaged at any of the cost. So that's the place where this particular cyber security is important. Whatever the sensitive data, whatever the personally identifiable information you are having, what are the protected health information, the personal information data, the governmental and industry information system. So these all of the respective things are being saved from getting damaged or from getting theft. So that's what is the respective need for the cyber security. Right, so hope I am pretty much clear to you that what is the need for the cyber security. Now, what are the different career pathways in the cyber security? Okay, what are the different career pathways into the cyber security? So there are some common cyber security career pathways that let's learn about those first of all. So it is a feeder rules. Feeder rules generally it is based upon your networking, your software development, your system engineering, your financial risk analysis, and your security intelligence. Right, so this particular, that's your feeder role. It consists of all of these respective career pathways, or all of these respective skills, whatever we are having it here, or these are the respective roles which actually could be here: the system engineer role, the financial risk analysis role, the security intelligence. So what are the feeder roles you are having? These are your feeder, means very basic and with the very like roles that you are actually having, right? Further, moving up towards the second one, that is your entry level role. So entry level roles, these are sort of a starting role where the roles come under cyber security technician, or the cyber crime investigator, or the incident analyst or incident responder, IT auditor. So these are some entry level roles which you are having in, like the very starting roles which you are having in here actually. Those are your entry level roles. Further, you are having the mid-level. So mid-level, it actually consists of your cybersecurity analyst, your cybersecurity consultant, and your penetration and vulnerability tester. So these are some of the mid-level roles which we are having up into this cybersecurity. Next, for the advanced level, it is cybersecurity manager or cybersecurity administrator, cybersecurity engineer, and the cybersecurity architect. So these are some other advanced level roles which we are having. So there are many career pathways into this particular field of cybersecurity. Many different roles are having, and according to you want to go into the feeder roles, you want to go into the entry level roles, you want to go into mid level, you want to go into advanced level. So accordingly, the roles are categorized here, and according to your sake of convenience, according to the skills which you're having, you can just choose on any of the respective roles here, and you can go ahead with those particular career pathways which we are having up into the cyber security. For the next, what are the skills those are needed? So skills are somewhat needed, like data analysis, threat knowledge, cryptography, identity management, application security, endpoint security, data security, and network security. See, cybersecurity is a field in which especially it works upon the for taking the respective measures or for building up the apps in such a way that it can be totally protected, can be totally secured, right? So because now from the cyber crimes and from all of these things, your apps or whatever the things you're having, those should get actually protected, secure. So whatever the skills you will be needing into this particular cyber security role, all of those skills are gonna be referring to your some of the either security part, right? So that are the respective skills which we are needing up here into this particular role for the cyber securities. Right. So these are some of the very common skills which are needed up here regarding this cyber security field. Next, we are having some important qualifications. So there are some important qualifications for the cyber security employment, like relevant cyber security work experience, that's 49%, knowledge of advanced cyber security concepts, 47%, cyber security certifications, 43%, extensive cyber security work experience, 40%, knowledge of basic cybersecurity concepts, 40%, and strong non-technical software skills, 39%. Right. So see, right away, these are the important qualifications of cybersecurity employment. So yeah, you can go ahead with these if you're having some experience. That's pretty fine. If you're having some good knowledge of advanced cybersecurity concepts, it's as well fine. See, it's not that you should have all of these important qualifications. It's not like that. It's just that if you're going very new into this particular field, so you will not have any work experience, right? So that's not a case which can actually not let you get this particular role or get this particular job. No, it's not like that. It's simply like I just wanted to let you know in a such a way that if you are having some of the either qualification in all of these respective parts, so yeah, you can go ahead for that particular role for the cyber security. Whatsoever roles I had told you, according to that, what are the career paths you are having, you can choose that accordingly and go ahead with that, right? That's the respective idea of being and doing up the particular things. Fine. So hope I am pretty much clear with these respective important qualifications as well. And one last year it was mentioned regarding your strong and non-technical skills that are your softer skills. See, soft skills are one of the things which are needed in almost every field nowadays. In almost every field, not almost every field, but yeah, in each and every field, soft skills is a thing that's really very important. People are looking towards the technical skills, that's so true, but in the same case, in parallelly, they are looking for the non-technical skills as well that constitute you completely softer skills, your speaking skills, your time, your team management, and all those particular things come under your softer skills, especially your manner of speaking, your manner of explaining of the things, and all those respective ones as well, right? So when you are thinking of going into any particular field, make sure that you are learning the technical skills, that completely fine. Apart from that, you are actually focusing upon your soft skills part as well, because that's the thing which can really really help you to get up your respective dream job role and those all particular things, right? So I hope I'm pretty much clear with these things to you. So into this particular video, we discussed that what cybersecurity is actually, what's the need for cybersecurity, what are the common cybersecurity career pathways, what are the skills needed, and what are the important qualifications needed up here. Hope I'm pretty much clear with all of these particular things. Hope you got the idea regarding what cybersecurity is, what's the need for that, what are the other career options, and rest everything. And apart from this, already I had made many roadmaps regarding your data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data analyst, business analyst, software developer, full stack developer. All of these roadmaps are already Python developer. All of these roadmaps are already onto my channel. So you can just go under the playlist section, and under that playlist you'll be getting a playlist for roadmaps. All the roadmaps are listed there under that particular playlist of a roadmap, so you could just refer any of the other roadmaps if you want to pursue and move into some other field. And don't forget to subscribe out my channel and do press that notification bell so that you do not miss out any updates from me. So hope you enjoyed up this particular video and got to learn about the cybersecurity. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.